What do you think that'll be like moving up to 5A? A little bit different competition this year.
Yeah, I don't think it'll be harder. I just think that it would be, I mean, just more, yeah, it'll be more competition, but I think we can do it. I mean, we just have to hit the ball.
I expect it to be a lot like 4A. I think the competition should be the same, so it should be tough. And there's a lot more teams, and the girls there are a lot more experienced because there's a lot more in 5A. So I think it should be good. Like, I think we'll do good in 5A.
Okay. Has Coach Scott said anything to you guys about moving up?
He thinks that we're going to be like the underdogs, which we probably will because we just got runner-up in 4A, which is a pretty big accomplishment. And so we should have a target on our backs. So.
What do you think that'll be like, I guess?
I think it'll be a lot easier. I mean, we have Deer Creek, and that's pretty much our biggest shot, and a couple of the other schools that we haven't really played, but I think we'll be fine, and I mean, I think we have the talent to perform.